Control systems used in the heating, cooling, and refrigeration industry are designed to control system loads to maintain the desired temperature of a space or medium. In addition, control circuits contain a number of devices designed to help the system operate as safely as possible. These devices can disable a system if the current, temperature, or pressure within the system falls outside the desired range of operation. Control circuits are the brains of any system, controlling the operation of the system's major components, including the compressor, condenser fan motor, and the evaporator or indoor fan motor. In this segment of our series, we'll examine the control circuits for a number of system components and explain how to troubleshoot the devices in these circuits.